Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of fractal patterns. These intricate and infinitely complex shapes are not only a feast for the eyes, but they also hold deep mathematical significance. Fractals are generated using mathematical formulations, often involving recursion and self-similarity. This means that as we zoom into a fractal, we continue to see the same patterns repeating at smaller and smaller scales, creating an infinite depth that is truly mind-boggling. One of the most famous fractals is the Mandelbrot set, discovered by mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot. This set is defined by a simple iterative function, resulting in a visual pattern shown in this video. The intricate spirals, tendrils, and shapes within shapes within shapes are a testament to the beauty and complexity of mathematics. Fractal patterns can be found in nature, art, and even technology. They have applications in computer graphics, data compression, and even the study of natural phenomena like coastlines and clouds. Their presence in so many aspects of our lives speaks to the universal appeal and importance of understanding fractals. Like and subscribe for more mathematical and physics-based simulations.